Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a toaster review because toasters are cool and I'm reviewing a toaster. So we have very many options. We have all the options you would ever need in the entire world. We have bagel, freezy boy, sheethy boy, and none, as well as dials, which many people don't know if it's minutes or heat. Who cares? Sometimes it can be annoying when they're set on different things because it's a double toaster, or I guess it's a quadruple toaster. So sometimes those are off, both of those. They're not exactly, like sometimes it's like that, and then your toast is all weird. But yeah, it's a pretty nice toaster. It works pretty good, and it's quite unsafe, but all toasters are, right? Toaster person out.